So this is what the video is about. We're testing the wires and we're trying to figure out what wire does what. So anyways, that's enough of me showing you the car, and as you saw from the wiring, that's the job that we're going to be doing. So these are common faults on the car, right, where the wires break and then your central locking, your windows and everything just messes up, yeah. So this could be in general on any vehicle. So what I end up doing is I chop the wires off and cut the loom, thinking, yeah, I don't need it, and I end up throwing it away. So that wasn't good, and yeah, so now I'm paying for it, but we're testing it. So this is what the video is about. We're testing the wires and we're trying to figure out what wire does what. This is from a phase 2 or phase 3, so it's a newer model. So I've literally unpicked the wires, trying to sort it out, and we tested what does what because we had it connected there. Right, so currently what we've been doing is adding all these female connectors there, also the male connectors on here. So rather than like twisting the wires and testing it and whatnot, literally it's plug it in, and if it's wrong, disconnect it, and you know, so it's literally detachable, which is pretty handy. Good little tip for you. Right, the way I've been testing it and trying to get to know what functionality does what, and yeah, I'd already started this, so I started writing it down. Yellow equals speaker. I had it all labeled up before, and what's it called? Thick white is ignition white. So let me show you that. I've got my test light here, and thick white is one of these, right? Literally just ground it and pop the ignition on. It's not that one. Would you looky at that? That's how I've been testing it. Right, next one, you can literally just have a look, see if it does anything. This one, I know what that is. Turn the stereo on, and you know that's speaker. Like so. Pretty handy to have a Haynes manual for your vehicle, just to like see what colour's what, because I just looked at this one and tested it. Right, watch. That's got something to do with central locking. So orange, OR 136, infrared sensor, and then apparently it's supposed to be going to 135 central locking control unit to JN, which is going to be a yellow thing. What could give you telltale signs what functionality is what? If it's got it on your loom, you've got numbers here which you could match up to the diagram right here. At the moment, let me just show you what I have figured out. What I do know what functions what, because this window has not been opened up for many years. And yeah, it's about time to sort it out. Look how easy this is. Literally plug it in. Lovely jubbly. So I know what these do. That's basically for the Windows switch, right? We got noise there, right? So that's wrong. Make sure you turn off your ignition. Swap it around like so. Hey presto, we have a window. For now, what I'm gonna do is literally figure out what ones activate the locking system. So that's one, that's two, and so on. So I'm just gonna try getting all the locking ones together now. So what's this telling me now is that's lock, that's unlock, and that must be deadlock. Let's try it. Lock, unlock, deadlock. So I've literally left the window connected, I've left the speaker connected because I know that works. At the moment I have my test light connected to the positive, and yeah, if you put it onto a ground it will illuminate. So at the moment I'm testing these wires here, and this makes me believe those are grounds. Tip for you ladies and gents when you're doing this messy job is have a pen and paper handy. Here now is a continuity test from the door lock motor wiring. I've got the blue one, and look, that makes a connection right there. It's a number 9. I have my mask in here. I'm going to put a number 9 on it because we know that one goes to a blue one, and then we're going to put a new number 9 on there. Just put them as numbers. Not just that, right in the blue equals 9. Do something what you're going to remember. And what's that? Beige. So you keep doing this for every single wire, and literally you start figuring out that they're making a connection. And this is all the wires to do with central locking. So that's a green wire with a yellow stripe to the brown one, and that is all your central locking wires. Right, so now I know all the functionalities of this, which is the door lock. Yeah, I have my diagram here thanks to the Googles. 147 148, which is, give me a second, 148 147, left front door, right hand front door. Yeah, so theoretically it should be the blue wire to the blue wire. In my case it's going to be the beige wire to the blue wire here somewhere, which I hope I have a blue one. Forget that diagram what I showed you on my phone, revert back to your Haynes manual. Typical central locking, because if you look over here, left hand front door lock motor, right hand front door lock motor, 137 138, 137 and 138. Then I'm just following that RG, right? RG here is red. So let's look here on your interior loom. There's the red one, and there's my one, number 9. I am going to connect that, right, because I believe that is where that goes. And we tested it, and I'm going to check with that again anyway. Look, beige, number 9. That's beige, number 9. That's red. And we can't see any more red. Right, ladies and gents, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And yeah, I know how wiring can be like a bit of a nightmare and scary, but yeah, I hope this video makes it a lot easier for you to go out and actually test your wires and see what it does, and it gives you that bit more confidence, you know. So like always, please hit that like button, share and subscribe, and I'll be getting more content out there for you ladies and gents. We're switching it up to the next level. Yeah, check out my Instagram as well, it's Gurge306. And yeah, hit the follow button on there. But it's a rough idea of what kind of videos I'm getting out there now, a bit more cinematic and cool. So yeah, check that out. But yeah, as always, yeah, I'll be getting more content out there for you ladies and gents. But hit that subscribe button, much appreciated. Love, bless y'all.